The Mahakumbh 2025, a symbol of India's rich tradition and culture, is being celebrated with full splendor in Prayagraj. The Namami Gange mission is playing a crucial role in ensuring that this historic event remains clean and successful. As part of this initiative, a magnificent and captivating Namami Gange pavilion has been set up, featuring various exhibitions that have become major attractions for pilgrims and tourists. As soon as you approach the pavilion entrance, the first thing you see is a map of India made from industrial waste. The Ganges River is highlighted with special lighting in this map, symbolizing its purity and continuous flow. At the entrance, the message "Water is life" is inscribed, emphasizing the importance of water conservation and cleanliness. Stepping inside the pavilion, visitors are welcomed by a unique interactive biodiversity tunnel. This tunnel showcases the incredible biodiversity along the Ganges riverbanks through an advanced audio-visual presentation. The chirping of birds and the natural beauty of the riverside create an immersive experience, making visitors feel as if they are in the lap of the Ganges. Moving further inside, a grand statue of Lord Shiva catches the eye. This impressive representation, depicting the holy river Ganga flowing from Shiva's locks, is a spectacular sight.
मैं अंदर गया यहाँ म्यूजियम में अंदर, तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। मैंने अंदर बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी और शिव जी को भी देखा। और ये महाकुंभ जो हिंदुओं का मेन त्योहार है और हमें गंगा जी को साफ रखना चाहिए।
Illuminated by vibrant lights, the statue is surrounded by a lifelike display of Himalayan flora, making it a special attraction for visitors. An impressive sand art display powerfully depicts the impact of human activities on the Ganges and health, while promoting awareness of cleanliness and conservation. Moving further into the pavilion, a digital exhibition immediately grabs the attention. This section creatively showcases various initiatives undertaken for the conservation and cleanliness of the Ganges. It also explains the functioning of sewage treatment plants and highlights ongoing development projects along the riverbanks. Several detailed models displayed here demonstrate modern water management technologies. The exhibition also features replicas of Ganges dolphins, turtles, and crocodiles, which have become major attractions. Among them, the Ganges river dolphin, known as the Tiger of the Ganges, stands proudly, symbolizing the importance of preserving local wildlife. Additionally, various species of fish found in the Ganges are also on display, further showcasing the rich aquatic biodiversity of the river.
बायोडाइवर्सिटी पे हमने बड़े अच्छे यहाँ पे सेल्फी पॉइंट्स बनाए हैं। घड़ियाल का एक मॉडल डिप्लॉय किया है, कछुओं को मॉडल डिप्लॉय किया है, डॉल्फिन्स के मॉडल डिप्लॉय किए हैं और ये जो भी पर्यटक आ रहे हैं वो बहुत ही आकर्षण का केंद्र बना हुआ है। प्रतिदिन यहाँ पे 70,000 की भीड़ आ रही है।
There are also stalls set up by the Ganga Task Force, the Central Inland Fisheries Research Institute, and the District Ganga Committee, providing information on conservation efforts, public awareness, and waste management.
जब यहाँ मैंने एंट्री लिया तो उसके बाद यहाँ पे मुझे महादेव की एक बहुत अच्छी मूर्ति बनाई हुई दिखी। उसके बाद कुछ सैंड आर्ट्स, फिर गंगा की कुछ मछलियाँ प्रमुख, उसका सैंपल रखा हुआ था और कुछ आर्ट वर्क्स बहुत अच्छे थे। और यहाँ बहुत अच्छे से समझाया जाए गंगा को किस तरह अपने गंगा माता को साफ सफा रखा जा सकता है।
बहुत अच्छे तरीके से बताया गया कैसे गंगा को साफ रखा जाए।
The pavilion also provides significant historical information about the Ganges River and details about the Dwadash Madhav Parikrama, a religious pilgrimage associated with 12 sacred Madhav temples. One of the most attractive exhibitions is a miniature model of the famous Ghats of Varanasi. The model captures the divine atmosphere of the Ganga Aarti and the intricate historical architecture of the surroundings. Boats flowing on the river, temple spires, and a statue of Lord Ganesha sitting on the ghats bring the scene to life. Additionally, a special counter has been set up where visitors receive Namami Gange themed caps, badges, bags, and champak books for children for free. For book lovers, the National Book Trust has established a reading corner within the pavilion. Through these captivating exhibitions at the Namami Gange Pavilion at Mahakumbh 2025, visitors are not only being educated about the importance of Ganga cleanliness and conservation, but are also developing a deep emotional and cultural connection with the sacred river.